Let's take a look at the prices of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, and I'm going to share with you my thoughts and where I think they're headed in the very near short term. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, stick around to the end of this video. You need to hear what I have to say today. So Shiba Inu had crashed along with the entire crypto market, not just Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu has bounced up from the crash. We see that this was the crash area. From the bottom to the top approximately, we have seen a 23% move, but from this 23% move, we've come down about 8%, and we are only about 10% away from reaching this bottom here. We also take a look at Dogecoin. We're just doing a brief overview first, and then we're going to get into it. Dogecoin, very similar thing. Just holding above this support. So we haven't crashed any further. We have held support for all cryptocurrencies at this point, and we need to take a look and be patient because this is going to be likely a volatile week for Bitcoin and Ethereum, as we have Fed speakers in Jackson Hole Symposium, which can cause some more volatility. But if we take a look at Bitcoin after the crash, to be completely honest with you, after it bounced up, did bounce up substantially, Bitcoin really has not moved much, just bouncing back and forth in about approximately like a 2% to 1.5% range. So we're bouncing back and forth, and Bitcoin has not yet broken out of this pattern, this bear flag, this range. So when Bitcoin starts to break out of this pattern, whether it's to the upside or to the downside, then we're going to have some clear understandings and ideas of what is likely for your favorite cryptocurrencies. And we could also take a look at Bitcoin. Ethereum, is doing the same exact thing. Now make sure you guys are following my Twitter. Do it right now so you can be updated with my charts every single day on the hour when there's breakouts and moves taking place. And my thoughts regarding Shiba Inu is, if we take a look, and we're going to take a look at Bitcoin again, Dogecoin. If we take a look at the S&P 500, it is starting to bounce up a little bit. This is the stock market. It's starting to bounce up a little bit, but like I said, this week is likely to be very volatile. And overall, if we take a look at this entire move, we have moved down substantially. We should get some type of relief bounce soon, but if the stock market continues to go down, it's likely that Bitcoin, altcoins are going to continue to bleed out for a little bit until we find some support, until we find a bottom, which if we find a bottom here soon, and when we do find a bottom, I think there is going to be a significant relief rally for all cryptocurrencies, which means that after such a huge crash and a huge downfall, we'll likely see some bullishness for at least a short period of time. So we could be seeing a 10 or 20% move to the upside before we possibly continue heading lower. But Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are going to be doing the same exact thing for the most part, and they're going to be following Bitcoin. They're going to be following, which Bitcoin is following the stock market. So depending on how the stock market does, depends on how Bitcoin does, depends on how Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. So right now, we're just kind of holding very steadily. There's not much volume, and the volume is likely to come this week. So I think within the next 24 hours and by the end of this week, we're going to have a completely different story from just holding here and slowly sitting at the support level. We're definitely going to get probably a big move, and we're going to be prepared for it. That's why you need to join my free Telegram community right now. All the links I'm talking about in this video are going to be in my video description. But you need to be in my Patreon because we are making profitable trades every single week, longing and shorting the market. And let me show you guys ALGOSNIPER. This is an incredible indicator that I developed. It is one of the most accurate trading indicators in the world that's going to help you to understand when it's best to buy and sell any cryptocurrency. Look at this. We get a sell alert for the S&P 500, it's the stock market. Now look at this massive move down. Also for Bitcoin, we get a sell alert before the crash even took place, and we get a huge crash. This thing can save you so much money by not holding through crashes. It helps you to understand when it's best to buy the dip and to get back in the market when time is right. You can try this thing today at 90% off at ALGOSNIPER.com, which is only $5. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on it. I'll see you later.